The immense heat of the plasma cutter reaches 20,000 degrees Celsius, slicing through the steel with raw force.
Captured in extreme slow motion, these chips reveal the incredible forces at play during the milling process.
Precision is everything. Every wheel, cam, and lever is machined to the finest tolerance against the hardened steel.
The cross-sectional view highlights the sheer scale of the locking mechanism. These hardened steel bolts ensure absolute security. This repeated slamming ensures the mechanism will never fail when it counts, a testament to its engineering. Weighing in at over 2 tons, this is the Centurion model. Notice the flawless mirror finish